Hi, Joe Glavin with City Floor Supply. Today we're going to be applying Basic Coatings Raw Sealer. So the raw sealer from Basic Coatings is a toned sealer. When you apply it, you'll see essentially a color indicator. It'll be pretty milky. The term toned just means there's a little tint in this that does settle out, so you do want to make sure that you shake it, or if you pour this in a separate container, that you keep it mixed while you're applying it. This material can be rolled, pulled with a T-bar. You can use, standard like Dura Tool 12-inch, 18 or 24-inch applicators. You want to make sure that it's an even pull. Try to avoid heavy laps. Any areas that would be overlap and heavy in mill thickness, wet mill thickness, you want to avoid those. It's really meant to go over bare wood, specifically bare white oak. And the term raw, obviously, when the product dries, it's going to make the floor, the white oak floor, look like it was just sanded. And we have that example here that we're going to apply it on. But we're also going to put this over Basic Coatings Hypertone Hickory, just to give you an idea what it's going to look like over stain. We're going to use the small 6-inch applicator. Obviously, what we have here to apply it on is a small square footage area. You could use 6-inch, 8-inch, or 10-inch, depending on your application. You're looking at about 450 to 550 as far as square foot coverage per gallon. Very low odor since it is water-based. So it's a nice product from Basic Coatings. It's going to give you that flat, bare wood look on the floor. So let's get to applying it. You can see how milky that is. You can see how it has that color indicator on it. All right, so we're going to put this on the raw sealer on bare wood. And this has been prepped with up to 120 grit screen. So if you have any questions with regard to Basic Coatings Raw Sealer, its application, any questions with regard to coverage, you can go to our website at cityfloorsupply.com. click on manufacturer basic coatings, go to raw sealer, and there's technical data sheets there that will give you all that information. You can also give us a call at 800-737-1786.